back, Crypto Rico here with another one. Make sure you guys like and subscribe. Put on that bell notification so you too can be notified when we're over here experiencing the abundance of money, man. You guys do not want to miss out. Also, do not miss out. $100 giveaway. So if you like, subscribe, follow me on Twitter, tag me and a friend on Twitter. That simple, that easy. Win $100. Use the tips and tricks in the video to make it grow, or simply go spend it. None of this is financial advice. I'm bringing financial awareness to a crypto space that is changing on the hour, every hour. With that being said and out the way, welcome back, everybody. We're looking at ApeCoin. I miss you guys, just to be honest with you guys. I also want to say, do not think that I don't answer all the comments. Sometimes YouTube has some lag. I love answering the comments, especially when it comes to this trading and, helping you guys learn along the way, because this could be difficult at times. And that's why I try to time these videos just right. But the timing is about right now, okay? I'm about due up for a video. I'm about due up to see what you guys got to say. And, we got the ApeCoin really oversold. The price is not always going to be the price that you want it to be, but we're going to identify this new support that we made at that 1420. We saw Bitcoin pull down to almost 36. We're going to get that horizontal line right here. Boom. So now we're in this channel right now on the 15-minute chart. But what I like and I see is that we're, oversold extremely 2 times. One, a lot, then a second time, and we still haven't compensated for that. So that starts to tell me that we're in this accumulation, we're consolidating, we're going to the right. The markets can, fall out, and if Bitcoin falls out and ETH starts to fall back down, the same thing will happen to ApeCoin. It will start to, just peel away. But I think the markets are starting to turn back around green. We got a little bit of green in the market. See if Bitcoin can get back over 40. That would be ideal. Everybody get pumped up again, the rallies to get going. But what I like on ApeCoin right now, and what I was honestly waiting for, is on the 4-hour chart to get the dot on the bottom. We're only 1 hour away to see what's going to happen. Also on the 2-hour chart, but let's zoom in a little bit. We have it extremely oversold on the 4-hour chart. I like this. We're on this support level that we just found, right? I would like to see this dot flip over to the other side, just see what kind of run up we could have. It could be pretty interesting. Also, we want to have the markets in our favor as well. That's why I've been just, staying in the cut, as some people say, like just staying to the side and been waiting. I have a buddy of mine that, we're ready to go trade ApeCoin, but he's asked me like, hey, are we ready? Are we ready? I'm like, I need it to be oversold, extremely oversold, because on this next one I'm going hard, and I need to make sure that when I make this video that it's also oversold, because I want you guys to learn how it helps you have way better odds when something's extremely oversold to at least have some fun. Okay, that's what we're going to call it on the Crypto Rico channel, having some fun. Because if you're not having fun, then you're not making money. I can tell you that right now. Because last time I checked, anytime I've ever seen somebody make some money, whether if it's hard or whatever, it looks like they're making fun. When they get that payday, it's fun, right? It's a lot of fun. So right now we got to make this fun. And when it's oversold, it's a lot easier to have some fun making money and learning at the same time, instead of getting beat up in the market because maybe you never even heard of the MFI and you didn't realize that you bought, when it was overbought at an all-time high or something like that, or a frequent all-time high, and more recent one, I should say, and you didn't realize that because maybe you didn't know the MFI, and next you're stuck in this downward trend. And here we are with it oversold as well. But that's why I like to use the SAR, because once that dot flips to the other side, I get out. I know that it's not there to stay. But this is only the 3-minute chart. The 15-minute chart, these rides are a lot longer, and you got way longer spreads. That's why I like them, because you have better chances of making more money. And it's also, when it's oversold on this one, we have to have, like, look at all this MACD. It never really climbed back up all the way up to the top like it did over here, at the all-time highs. We haven't, we're all on this bottom part right here, and we still haven't compensated. And it looks like the market wants to pick up, and we're going to see what else we got. So right here we got, a true battle. I'm getting to 15. There we go. We're about to break to $15 right now, which is epic. Let's go to the 1-minute chart. We could watch that live right now, because we can see that it doesn't hold right there, right? Those are not going to hold against this amount of buying power. So right now we're just taking out the last few, and then we'll break right into the $15 mark, because there's no way that $15 can hold up against that. It's just not going to happen. And we're going to, 1 second, there we go, boom, $15.07, okay, or 7 cents, sorry. So now we got the 1 minute restarted right there. We're rocking up right now. We're at $15. So this is looking good, like I said, because when something's really oversold, it gives you a good opportunity to gap and go. This is for gap and go trading. I got a bag to the side that, if ApeCoin while I'm sleeping rocks up to $100, trust me, I'm going to be sitting pretty nice, because I'm not going to be one of those that miss out on this ride. But I'm also not going to miss out. I'm practicing how to make money daily, making my own income, and depending on myself to provide this income to make sure everything's okay. And what I like to do, even if it takes all day, I like to see it oversold because I want to have fun while I'm trading. And this is looking like we can have some fun. Look at, we found a support. We see the market's turning around. We're at $15.11. It's been oversold again. I'm not too worried that we're coming back down on the MFI right here because we never nowhere near compensated for all this oversold. So most likely what's going to happen right here, we're right around this, that if it's not 61.8, we'll be at that 54.99, and sometimes probably right there. That's it right there. Let's see when we make it to this, where these two tops are right here. Let's see if we make it to that. But just to curl back up, just to take a breath, and we're still rocking up. We're at $15.20 something cents now, so we're still moving and grooving right now. We're gonna go down. We're gonna see what we got going on, just to see exactly what's happening right in front of us. Let's adjust this a little bit. Okay. So let's go to the 3 minute. And like I said, we were oversold on the 1 minute. This one's going to be changing quickly anyways, just till we keep rocking it. We're making higher lows. As you guys can tell, we made a support, kind of consolidated, but right now we made another stop right here, and now we're starting to rock right up to go test this $16. So it's looking good right now. But on the 3 minute chart, we were oversold. On the 5 minute chart, we're oversold, and we still have not been overbought. On the 15 minute chart, we're oversold. So this is what I'm talking about when I want these all lined up. And that's why I wanted to wait to make this video so you guys can see how it kind of looked when it's just so oversold. And look how easy it is and how much fun more you can have from, a dollar range. If you're doing a futures trade, that's a huge come up right there. Even if you're not doing the futures and you're holding a good amount of ApeCoin, this is still a good, that's still a good spread. If you do that a few times a day, you could definitely make a living. I can tell you that. So that is, but make it fun. Make it fun. Make it calm. It can't be all, where if you feel like you're biting your nails and stuff like that, then no. Come up with a true, where like this, I feel secure with this. It's like, it's so oversold. Like we've left it no other option but to rock up. And you can see that right now playing out. Of course, we have a battle at 1550. Let's change this a little bit just so we can get closer to where we're at. So we're at 1510 and then 1520 on the spread, and it looks like we're going to break right into 1520. Then the next mark is going to be 1530, as we can tell that those numbers are not going to hold up against 1510. So most likely, once again, this is going to continue to rock up, which we know that we're overbought, and it still has not gone all the way back up to show that it's, or oversold, and has not finished going all the way back up to get overbought. So we're looking good. We still got a lot of range to go. I'm gonna get this video out. Make sure you guys load up with the comments like that. Get these videos out to other ApeCoin holders, and we can start our own little community where we can talk about things in these comments, and just have open dialogue. Continue to come back, experience the abundance of money with me. Till next time, you guys know what it is. Later.